everyone, we are here to share with you how to properly take vital signs. And the vitals include
Blood pressure,
heart rate and respiration.
temperature, and height and weight.
Enjoy!
So I'm going to show you how to take blood pressure. And to take an accurate blood pressure, you need your stethoscope, your handcuffs, and a very good ear. So this is my patient. You make sure the patient is comfortably seated. Please don't cross your legs. Arms should be resting comfortably, and then you put the cuffs on this way. Is it too tight? Is it okay? Perfect.
Yes. Thank you.
And then when you're taking the blood pressure, you measure it in fraction form. The systolic is the first number at the top, followed by the diastolic at the bottom. To test it, make sure it's working. So you pump up to 180 180, and then you slowly release the air. And then you listen carefully. The first tab was at 128. And the last sound was at 76. And then you release your patient. The first sound is your systolic, and the last sound you hear is your diastolic. And you always write it in the fraction form. Systolic at the top, diastolic at the bottom. So there you have it. Thank you.
Hi class, I am going to be taking heart rate and respirations with my patient Shell today. What you do for heart rate is using the radial pulse. You take your patient's arm, 2 fingers, find the pulse, and what you're going to do is you're going to listen for the pulses or the heart rate, and you're going to listen for 30 minutes. Take that number, multiply it by 2, which is going to be your heart rate. Another rule of thumb is not to use your thumb because your thumb does have a pulse. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and take my patient Shell's respirations. Again, as with the heart rate, you're going to count your respirations for 30 seconds, multiply it by 2 to get your respiration rate. And what you're going to look for is the chest rising and falling for that 30 seconds. And that's how you take it. All right, class, it's been a minute and we've taken her heart rate and respirations. Her respirations is 16 and her heart rate is at 80.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you 3 different types of taking temperature. I'm going to start with the oral. So first you make sure that the probe is new and nobody has used it. Place it under the tongue of your patient to the side of the cheek and wait a couple of seconds. And the temperature of the patient is 98.3. So Next, I'm going to show you how to take the auxiliary temperature, and that's under the patient's armpit. So then you wait a couple of seconds and then it shows the temperature. So next it's the tympanic. So first you make sure again that you insert a new probe and pull the ear a little bit up and insert it, and you press the button, and the temperature for the tympanic will be 97.
Hi guys, I am your MA Shell and we are going to demonstrate on how to take the weight and the height measurements of a patient. We're going to ask my patient Gloria to step on the scale facing outward, making sure that these are in 0. Okay, so first when we assume our weight is like 100, let's move the bottom scale first and see if it balances. You have to move it to the left and move it back until we find a balance. Yeah, if we see it balancing, then that is her weight. Just read the small numbers, fine print. Next is the height. We push up and make sure that we don't hit the patient. Okay, and we're going to ask our patient to step down and read the numbers over there in centimeters. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
And this concludes our instructional video on vitals. We hope you enjoyed it, and
Thanks for watching.
bye!